Good morning, friends. This morning for our letter center, we're going to work on the letters K and L. So remember, K is going to make the k, k, k sound, and L is going to say ooh, ooh. You're going to practice tracing your capital K and lowercase k, and then capital L and lowercase l. Now, I just traced one as an example. I want you to trace all of them. Then you're going to look at your pictures. We have king, lamp, lock, kite, leaf, key, log, and koala. So we're going to cut out our strip of pictures. Remember, I put my thumb at the top and then the rest of my fingers at the bottom. My pointer finger is going to be a guide, and I'm going to cut. And then I'm going to cut out the top picture. The top picture is a picture of a king. At the beginning of king, I hear the k sound. So I'm going to remember just a dot, not a lot. And I'm going to glue my picture of the king by the K. And friends, as I'm working, I just realized I forgot the most important thing. The first thing I do is always the same. Look at the top and write my name. I am so sorry. I'm going to put my name at the top. Okay, friends. So once you're done, you're going to go to your next picture. I'm going to go over the pictures with you one more time. We have lamp, lock, kite, leaf, key, log, koala. So again, remember, K is going to say k, 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 and L is going to say ooh, ooh. Do your very best, and remember to bring this with you to writing time.